For basic paper piecing, you're going to copy your pattern for as many blocks as you want to make because the paper pattern will be destroyed in the process. Each area is numbered, and this is in the order that I'm going to add the fabric. There's a little box next to each pattern that will tell you if this is a background fabric or a body fabric or whatever it is. So you want to follow that. You can see it has extra parts here, but that's just showing you where the arms are going to be placed into the seam. Right now, we're just working with the lines of the different areas. So we're going to start with number 1, and it said it's the body fabric. So area number 1 is placed right side away because it's not going to be stitched and flipped to cover. It's placed that way because it's right where it's going to stay. And I'm going to pin it to secure it. Now I need to add area number 2, and I've whacked a piece of background fabric, and I need to place it on that line on this side, but it's can be blind, right? I can't see the lines on that side. So I can fold that line, and that will transfer it to this side. Then I'm going to place the fabric right side down 1/4 of an inch past that line, that fold line, where the bulk of the fabric's opposite this area I'm going to cover. Then I'm going to turn it over and sew that whole line between 1 and 2. Now I've trimmed the extra out of that seam allowance, and it will fold back and cover area 3. Each time I add a fabric, I press it so that the seams are really sharp. Now I want to paper piece area 4, and I can crease it again to help me locate that if I want. And I've cut a piece that's bigger than area 4, and I'm going to place it past that fold line so the bulk is opposite where I'm trying to cover. Turn it over and sew that whole line. Now I've added that last piece, trim the extra out of the seam, and while the paper is still on the back, I've cut it out on the outside dash line. I did set the stitch length just a little bit closer together so that it will perforate the paper, and it's even easier to rip it out. At this point, you can rip it out. There's nothing left to mark on that pattern like an antenna or something. You just rip it out. It's not needed. This is where we destroy the paper patterns. And look how great that looks. The perfect little points, just neat and clean. Super easy, a little strange, but it works great.